KOVAI Classic Industries make motor-operated shredder. This machine run through electrical. We can shredder all agriculture waste in this machine. Any organic matter is considered to be a waste is not at all a waste. Yes, we can convert any type of farm waste, garden waste etc., dry and wet, into highly nutrient organic manure by shredding them into small pieces and getting them decomposed. We are happy to introduce ourselves as the manufacturers of shredders, which is used for shredding any type of organic waste into small pieces for manufacturing organic manure. The following are the salient features of our machine: can shred hard and soft farm waste such as coconut husk, branches of trees, coconut frond and harvested banana trees. About KOVAI Classic Industries. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known